guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. It is messy and dirty, so let's get started. The first thing that you always do is take everything out. So I usually start with the freezer and do the freezer and then work my way towards the refrigerator. I usually use my Mrs. Meyer's multi-service. Another product that I really like using is glass cleaner, especially in the refrigerator part. Let me know down below if you guys have any recommendations of cleaners to use for your refrigerator / freezer. So now I'm just going to go through everything in the freezer and check for expiration dates. Now everything that is about to expire in the next couple months, I'm going to actually keep out and sealable. That way I know that I need to use it sooner than later, because we do have a ton of frozen vegetables and some of them occasionally get lost. Like there was cauliflower rice in there and I had no idea or forgot that it was in there at all. So we're pretty much going to repeat what we did with the freezer. We're going to take everything out, check for expiration dates, get rid of condiments or food that we bought that we just didn't like, that are just sitting there collecting its expiration date. Also, you can find many different ways to organize your fridge that works better for you. Like this shelf is now for this and this shelf is now for that. I do that every time. So I bought that little glass jar from the Dollar Tree, and it is just perfect for like condiment packets that you get from restaurants, fast food places, and it's clear so you can see it, and we actually go through those all the time. Then I made this mason jar into a cute Parmesan cheese jar. It is so cute and works awesome. Alright, guys, we are done with the fridge and freezer. We have pops and a soda pop organizer with dog ice cream, frozen vegetables, ice cubes, more frozen vegetables all in the door. Then we're going to open the refrigerator here. Looks so clean. We got eggs, chicken, milk. We have vegetables in the tub. We got some cheese and like cream cheese and stuff in the drawer, condiments, milk creamer, and butter. And I definitely need to go to grocery shopping, and it's nice and clean. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.